Hey guys, Justin Ochoa here, SparkPeople.com. Today we're going over what's called a cat-cow, which is a core exercise and also kind of a stretch that's going to help you kind of use your pelvis and learn how to move your spine in a safe environment. So what you're going to do is you're going to start off on all fours here. You're going to start in a neutral position, which means your back is flat, there's no extension or flexion anywhere. And what we're going to do is we're going to inhale and we're going to round our back like a cat. So you're going to inhale, round that back, tuck your pelvis underneath yourself, tuck your chin, let the back stretch a little bit. Then as you exhale, you're going to do the exact opposite. You're going to arch your back very slowly, one vertebrae at a time, starting with your neck. Moving down to your mid-spine, down to your lumbar spine. You're going to hold at this position. Inhale. And reverse. One vertebrae at a time. This is a very slow and methodical movement. No need to rush through it. No need to look for a burn or a contraction or any type of sensation like that. You're simply just learning how to move your spine, and in turn you're going to learn how to create stable environments at your core so that when you exercise and everything you do in life, you're going to have core stability that's going to help you complete those movements in a risk-free manner.